Hello everyone, welcome back again. So this is Alma now. As you can see, almost nothing has changed, but I have worked on Ro&Bot ID. So you can put your email in, an ID system, so you can log in to Alma. Not finished yet, but here is how the login looks like. And this should be how the sign up looks like. But I made a mistake. Now, this is how the sign up looks like. Here I started designing Alma's motherboard. As you can see, I'm now working on the charging circuit. I've already connected the SD card with the main processor. And that's about it for today's update. As I say, if you want, you can subscribe, it would make my day. But if you don't, that's okay too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. I will post another video soon.